Modi's first trip abroad ended today after a much applauded speech in Hindi at Bhutan's Parliament or National Assembly and a joint statement that set the seal on historical, socio-economic and strategic ties. From the Bhutanese Parliament, Mr. Modi also sent out a message to Bhutan and to India's other neighbours that a weak India is not good for the subcontinent, a strong India is.
इस पूरे भूखंड में विशेष करके 7 देशों की भलाई के लिए भारत का सुखी संपन्न होना आवश्यक है.
Narendra Modi's message to Bhutan, perhaps a message to other SAARC countries as well? Modi clearly wants neighbours to help strengthen India strategically. It was a fitting follow-up to his remarks at the Royal Banquet last night.
कभी-कभार ऐसा पड़ोसी मिल जाता है कि आपके पास हर प्रकार के सुख वैभव शांति होने के बाद भी आप चैन से जी नहीं सकते.
But there was much more. The focus on people-to-people contact, the Nehru Wangchuk scholarship amount for Bhutanese youth has been doubled to 20 million rupees per year. India will set up 20 digital libraries across Bhutan, also a Himalayan university, and focus on tourism. Terrorism divides, tourism unites, Modi said. Bhutan couldn't agree more.
I'm sure our relation between the two countries will definitely strengthen.
I think his development program is going to be more focused on tourism.
One more gesture from Modi that has come as a huge relief to Bhutan is a decision that in future, if India banned the export of food items, Bhutan would be exempted from the ban. This specially includes milk powder, wheat, edible oil, pulses and non-basmati rice. No wonder then that the farewell for Modi was as spectacular as the welcome. And Modi reciprocated the warmth he received in good measure, breaking protocol to step out of his car to wave.
2 days on his first foreign destination, and Narendra Modi may have certainly won hearts and minds in this Himalayan kingdom. But the big message that he probably sent out from Parliament, from the Bhutanese Parliament, was a weak India is not good for the neighborhood, a strong India is. It's a message not just for Bhutan, but for other neighbors in our vicinity. In Thimphu with Nirmal Sarkar, Monideepa Banerjee, NDTV.